wait, I'm just gonna send you a screenshot.
Okay. Wait, screenshot or screen share?
Screenshot.
Okay.
There,
Nice to see you again. You too.
I'm gonna send it to you both. On this was at the day. I think this was the day Zodiac was actually made. And there, I beat the player Justin. I said, you know why I need all those people? Well, you actually probably do for a mega color, but since
Getting far.
you're big, with the cube. Go.
Did you beat it?
Oh no, that was a stupid death. 60. I fluked all the way from 29.
He's at the drop.
Oh, from 0.
Yeah, from 0.
Yeah,
I got 60
zero.
from fluked from
Oh
29.
Jesus.
Let's go.
Put your gun in the trigger.
No, we're not singing the lyrics of that novel, of that song.
We had the burning fire and the glowborn killer. Fucking, I swear this lyrics are impossible. The song makes no sense. It's not even Mexican or Jamaican, it's just crap. That's what it is. The lyrics are just crap.
Oh, I just did 12 to 676.
Oh,
What the fuck? Okay.